This Mirexion Starlink Mount Gen 3 offers a long, dedicated extension pole that makes it much easier to clear roof edges and eaves for cleaner sky access. The bracket is engineered specifically for the third-generation Starlink dish, so the fit is secure and the hardware layout feels purpose-built rather than generic. Multiple adjustment points along the mount let you fine-tune the dish angle, which is especially helpful in suburban or remote locations where every bit of signal matters. The heavy metal construction and corrosion-resistant finish inspire confidence for long-term outdoor use in harsh weather without wobble or premature wear. Mirexion includes a thoughtfully designed router holder that helps keep cables organized and off the floor in tight spaces like apartments, offices, or recreational vehicles. The kit arrives with clearly labeled parts and all the screws and anchors you need, so a careful, do-it-yourself installer can mount it on a wall or roof in a single session.